In this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of the special offer that is only available to you for 48 hours after joining. The offer allows you to order a sample wallet, a perfume of your choice valued up to £26.10 and a catalogue, all for the price of £35 including shipping. So the first thing you need to do is log into your account using the details you've just been sent in your welcome email from Essens. Then you'll see a little magnifying glass at the top right of the screen. Click on that and enter the word Start Set, all one word. Just type that into the search bar. That will bring up the exclusive starter pack. Click on it and then click on To Cart. You'll then be able to choose which kit you want. We recommend one of the first two kits. They all contain the same samples, but the black one and the beige one have space for a catalogue as well. So let's select the beige one. You'll then be able to select the perfume of your choice. There will be top tip recommendations, but if you know which one you want from the perfume list, you can simply scroll down until you find it. But let's choose one of the ones in the new bottle as you're getting more for your money. Next, select the catalogue and click Summary. You'll then see everything that is going to be included in your parcel, so click Add to Cart. At the next screen, you'll see your cart, and after a second or two, a pop-up will appear which will show you the products in the new registration discount. For the first 30 days after joining, you'll be able to order a selection of our top-selling products with an additional 15% off the already discounted member price. If you want to, it's a good idea to order them on this first order because you're going to get free shipping on this order, whereas under 100 points in value, usually you'll attract a shipping fee. Click on Info, and for the demo we'll select the collagen as that's a really good offer. When you're done, click on the little blue cart at the top of the screen and you'll see a summary of everything in your cart. Click on Cart to go through to the checkout process. At the next screen you'll see a summary of the products once again, and it will tell you how much you have to pay. Underneath the price of each item, you'll see the points value of each product. So your collagen is worth 12 points and your kit is worth 5. Once you're happy that everything is correct, scroll down and click Next. On the next screen, this is where you'll select any gift boxes you want, and also if there's any offers available to you, they will be highlighted here. You can see the buy 5 get 1 free offer is greyed out, but if we had 6 additional perfumes of the same price in the basket, that offer would be highlighted. So click Next. You'll then be taken to the address screen. You can actually change the address you want the order to go to, which is useful if you want to send something out direct to a customer. You would just click on New Address to add a different address, but this is fine, so we'll just click Next. And then we're taken to the Delivery and Payment Confirmation screen. On this screen, we need to select how we want our order delivered. The available methods are highlighted, and in this case, because the order includes your registration offer, you'll see free delivery highlighted. Usually, that would only be highlighted if you had a 100-point order or more. You can also collect for free if you live close enough to the head office in Warrington. You need to click on Payment Card, and this is where, if you had any, you would also apply cashback and or commission to reduce what you have to pay for your order. Obviously, you don't have any yet as you've only just joined, but if you did, this is where you would enter how much you want to use. So click on Next. Now this is where you'll see your order recap and the last time you'll be able to check everything is right. You can also opt out of adding the paperwork, which is useful if you're sending it to a customer, and add any notes in there. Check it carefully because you can't change the order after submission. Click on Order and you'll get an order confirmation. Now this next bit is important. We're not finished yet because we still need to pay. Click Pay by Payment Card and you'll be taken to the secure payment portal where you can enter your card details. Obviously, I'm not going to enter my card details because I'm not actually going to place this order, it's just for demonstration. Now, if for whatever reason you forget, or if you just want to check your order has gone through, go to the menu along the top of the screen and click on My Office, and then from the drop down click on My Orders. That will bring up a list of all your orders. If your payment has gone through, you'll see a little green credit card, and if it hasn't, that card will be red, like this one. Simply click the card and it will take you back to the payment portal where you can make the payment again. You can also check by clicking on Tree from the same drop down menu, and if your order has gone through, you'll see the points your order has earned you. Mine shows none because I've not paid for the order, but if I had, it would show 17 points. It's the exact same principle if you order on mobile. Just one point, don't try using the mobile app to order as it's notorious for glitching. Use your browser. One thing I didn't mention, if you don't know which perfume you want to order, you can click on autofill and the system will choose for you. But you can choose in exactly the same way as you could on a computer too. So that's how you order your starter kit. Delivery will be within 48 hours, so now it's time to start planning who you'll be giving your kit to. For more training videos, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you're notified when we upload a new one.